Good morning, bicyclists. I'm getting ready to go biking today. It's going to be a windy bike ride. Also going to be warm. Temperature is 79 degrees, mostly cloudy. Wind is out of the south at 13 miles an hour with 22-mile-an-hour gusts. I'm going to be going to the north, so probably going to fly, move quickly that direction, but coming back I'm going to be fighting the wind. Going to be riding the Canyon Endurace CF SLX bike today. Bike ride is underway. Today is Friday, December 10th, 2021. Can't believe it's going to be as warm as it is in December. I'm taking it. It's definitely going to be a windy ride, like I was saying in the previous clip. Today's route, I'm going to go north through Porter and New Caney, what I call the Kingwood FM 1485 to Kingwood bike ride. I'll go north of FM 1485 over Caney Creek and then loop out back under and then head south along US 59. That's when I'm going to be fighting the wind. You can probably hear it blowing over the microphone. I don't remember if I mentioned it, but I started at start time. Today's ride is 40 minutes after 10. It's over an hour earlier than yesterday's ride. It's mostly cloudy. Riding on some of the greenbelt trails. This will take me to Rustling Elms Drive. Flags show how strong the wind is. I'm in Woodridge Forest, riding west. Scene. Still in Woodridge Forest. I noticed this yard the other day. Quite a few decorations in the front yard. I'm on Kelly Avenue, or maybe Gilbert Avenue Drive, parallel to the railroad tracks. You can see how the wind is whipping those banners. I'm riding north. That's what I'm going to have to contend with when I come back from FM 1485. I'm at FM 1314 and Frontage Road. There goes a hot rod. 9.4 miles, time's 24 minutes after 11. Riding north on the Frontage Road. I'm north of FM 1485. I'm riding over Caney Creek. On the other end of this bridge, I'll make a right turn and go underneath. Make a turn back to US 59 South Frontage Road into the wind. Well, I found out how come it's been warm the last couple days. They have the big fireplace going at the New Caney ISD football scoreboard. If it wasn't for that, it'd probably be cooler. I just turned left off of Briarberry Lane into Auburn Trails. The headwind that I was expecting was even stronger than I was expecting. Riding south into the wind, sometimes the fastest I could go was 9 miles an hour. I now got a little short stretch of tailwind, but I'm going to get some more headwind here. Riding west on Bentwood Oaks Drive in Oakhurst, approaching Rock Creek Drive. I'm going to turn right. A little respite here from the headwind heading west. As soon as I turn to the left, though, it's going to be hello headwind.